Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to upload your own text font in Wix. This is wix.com website, and first I will log in to my account. Let's work on this first website. If you have a single website on your Wix account, after logging to your Wix account, you will land directly on this page. Now click on this Edit Site button to access your Wix website editor, or Wix editor for short. For this video, I will download this Jumping Chick font from the font.com website. The download is completed. As you can see, it's in a zip or compressed format. I will click on it to decompress into this folder. Now go back to your Wix website editor. Double click a piece of text like that in order to have this text settings window. Now click on font and click on this upload fonts. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Wix today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Wix, basic website editing, embedding content like how to embed a YouTube video on a Wix website, exporting and importing, removing and resetting like how to remove Wix ads from your website for free, restoring and transferring, for example, how to restore a Wix website, how to take a backup, Wix features like how to use Wix AI website builder, adding content and features, e-commerce and store setup, sharing and collaboration, saving and deleting, like how to save a website as PDF, also how to delete a website on Wix or a Wix web account, marketing and SEO, and advanced features like how to deliver Wix website to a client. There are also other categories like templates and customization, and how to make your Wix website responsive and fit all screens. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Click on this upload fonts from the bottom of this list. A new window pops up. Click on upload fonts button. Now locate your font or text font on your computer. This is it, and double click it. Let's upload this .ttf format. Wait for the new text font to upload to your Wix account. Now that the upload is completed, you have a preview of your new font here. After that, click on this done button. And now let's pick this new font, or let's search for this new font from our fonts list. Just look for your font name. In my case, it's Jumping Chick. This is it. Select it. And as you can see, this is my new font in Wix. And this is how to upload your own new font to Wix. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.